welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a fantastic recipe for you, a low-carb avocado smoothie that's not only incredibly healthy, but also super delicious. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado and ½ cup unsweetened almond milk, or any low-carb milk of your choice, and ½ cup Greek yogurt, full fat for creaminess. 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1-2 tablespoons sweetener of your choice as stevia, erythritol, or a low-carb sweetener. Ice cubes optional for thickness. Wait, before starting the video, I introduce you with Icaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Begin by cutting the ripe avocado in half, removing the pit, and scooping out the flesh into a blender. Add the unsweetened almond milk, Greek yogurt, almond butter, vanilla extract, sweetener of your choice, and a pinch of salt to the blender. Now blend them. And there you have it, our low-carb avocado smoothie. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Ready to say goodbye, stubborn belly fat? Get Icaria Lean Belly Juice. Smoothies, click the link in the video description below.